Welcome to MedConnect. In today's video, we're diving into the world of skincare, specifically the CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser, a popular choice among dermatologists and skincare enthusiasts alike. This gentle cleanser has gained a reputation for its ability to effectively cleanse the skin without stripping away its natural moisture, making it a suitable option for all skin types, including dry, sensitive, and acne-prone skin. What is CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser? CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser is a game-changer in the skincare world. This cleanser is formulated with ceramides, hyaluronic acid, and glycerin, making it a powerhouse for hydration while effectively cleansing without stripping the skin. It's designed to cater to all skin types, especially those prone to dryness or sensitivity. What sets it apart is its ability to cleanse while maintaining the skin's natural barrier, leaving it feeling refreshed and supple. CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser is a fragrance-free, non-foaming cleanser formulated with 3 essential ceramides, hyaluronic acid, and niacinamide. These ingredients work together to restore and maintain the skin's natural barrier. Ceramides are naturally found in the skin and play a crucial role in protecting it from environmental aggressors and preventing moisture loss. Hydrate and plump the skin. Hyaluronic acid, a humectant, has the remarkable ability to attract and retain moisture, leaving the skin feeling plump and hydrated. Soothe and calm irritated skin. Niacinamide, also known as vitamin B3, has anti-inflammatory properties that help soothe and calm irritated skin. What are the benefits of using CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser? There are many benefits to using CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser, including 1. Gentle cleansing. The cleanser is formulated with gentle surfactants that effectively remove dirt, oil, and makeup without stripping the skin of its natural moisture. 2. Moisturizing. The cleanser contains hyaluronic acid, which helps to attract and retain moisture, leaving the skin feeling soft and supple. 3. Barrier repairing. The cleanser contains ceramides, which are essential for maintaining a healthy skin barrier. 4. Non-comedogenic. The cleanser is non-comedogenic, which means it won't clog pores. 5. Fragrance-free. The cleanser is fragrance-free, making it a good choice for people with sensitive skin. How to use CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser? 1. Prepare your skin. Start by wetting your face with lukewarm water. 1. This helps to open up your pores and prepares your skin for cleansing. 2. Dispense the cleanser. Take a generous amount of the CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser onto your hands. 2. Depending on your preference, you can dispense a pea-sized amount or slightly more, depending on how much coverage you need. 3. Apply to your skin. Gently rub your hands together to distribute the cleanser. 3. Then, apply it to your damp face and neck. 3. Use gentle, circular motions to massage the cleanser into your skin. 3. Ensure you cover all areas of your face and neck, working the cleanser into the skin to effectively remove dirt, oil, and impurities. 4. Rinse thoroughly. Once you've massaged the cleanser onto your skin for about 20 to 30 seconds, thoroughly rinse it off with lukewarm water. 4. It's important to remove all traces of the cleanser to avoid leaving any residue that could potentially irritate your skin. 5. Pat dry. After rinsing, gently pat your skin dry with a clean towel. 5. Avoid rubbing your skin harshly, as this can cause irritation, especially if you have sensitive skin. By following these steps, you allow the CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser to effectively cleanse your skin without stripping it of its natural moisture. This routine helps in maintaining a clean, refreshed, and hydrated complexion, making it suitable for daily use in your skincare regimen. Are there any side effects to using CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser? 1. Temporary redness. This is a common initial reaction to certain skincare products, especially when introducing a new product into your routine. 1. It typically occurs due to increased blood flow to the area, and should fade away relatively quickly, often within minutes to hours. 2. Irritation. Individuals with sensitive skin might experience mild irritation, characterized by redness, itchiness, or a burning sensation upon using certain products. 2. This can occur due to the ingredients in the cleanser reacting with sensitive skin types. 2. It's advisable to perform a patch test before applying the product to your entire face. 3. Stinging. Some people might feel a slight stinging sensation upon using a new product, especially if it contains active ingredients or if their skin barrier is compromised. 3. This sensation usually diminishes as the skin adjusts to the product. It's essential to note that these side effects are typically mild and transient. However, if any discomfort persists or if the symptoms worsen, it's recommended to discontinue use and seek advice from a dermatologist or skincare professional. They can provide guidance on whether the product is suitable for your skin type or if there might be an underlying sensitivity to certain ingredients. Always remember, skincare is individualized, and what works for one person might not work the same for another due to differences in skin types and reactions. Who should use CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser? CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser is a good choice for people with all skin types, including dry, sensitive, and acne-prone skin. It's also a good choice for people who are looking for a gentle and effective cleanser that won't strip their skin of its natural moisture. Overall, CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser is a gentle and effective cleanser that's suitable for all skin types. It's a good choice for people who are looking for a cleanser that will leave their skin feeling soft, supple, and hydrated. Additional tips for healthy skin. 1. Cleanse your skin twice a day, once in the morning and once at night. 2. Moisturize your skin regularly. Use a moisturizer that's suitable for your skin type. 3. Wear sunscreen every day, even on cloudy days. 4. Eat a healthy diet. Eating plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can help to keep your skin healthy. 5. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep a night. 6. Drink plenty of water. Aim to drink 8 glasses of water per day. 7. Manage stress. Stress can worsen skin conditions such as eczema and psoriasis. 7. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as yoga or meditation. Thank you for joining us today on MedConnect as we explored the incredible benefits of CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser. Your journey to healthier, glowing skin begins with gentle care. Remember, every step toward self-care is a step toward nurturing not just your skin, but your well-being. Embrace the beauty of self-care, and may your skin always reflect the care and love you invest in it. Here's to healthy, radiant skin and a healthier, happier you. Stay connected, stay informed, and above all, stay kind to your skin. See you next time on MedConnect. Top of form.